also following outages with Pepco saying more than 1,600 customers in Montgomery and Prince George's counties are now without power. And let's take a look at some video here. This is along Tuckerman Lane in North Bethesda. 2 large trees knocked down because of those high winds.
And DC News Now's Daniel Hamburg. He joins us in Montgomery County. Daniel, what can you tell us?
Oh, Mark and Annalisa, lots of downed wires and trees that you need to be careful of if you are driving. This is Tuckerman Lane right here. You can see this tree has fallen across the road and downed several power lines right here. About 66 customers are affected according to the Pepco outage map, and you can see that drivers are a little cautious of how to get around this because it is only a 2-lane road here near Lancelot Drive. In the distance, you can see there is a Pepco truck. We've actually seen a couple Pepco trucks at different points here on Tuckerman Lane trying to figure out how best to fix all of this. Obviously, this kind of thing needs a crew to remove the trees before they can even begin to fix these power lines. But you can see drivers aren't even driving that slow to try to get around here, and that is a problem on a 2-lane road like this. So if you are in Montgomery County, make sure that you are driving slow and paying attention to your surroundings. The police officer put out some flares here earlier to alert people of that tree, but certainly from a distance you might not see it right away. But for now, we're live in North Bethesda. Daniel Hamburg, DC News Now.